5 seconds. Start. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has rightly reiterated his stand that climate change is a joint global responsibility and that the international community must take collective action to address it and cover the financing needs of nations on the front lines of climate catastrophes. Full stop. We have to fight and rebuild a resilient and adaptive infrastructure which can only be done through additional funding, not loans, but the financing gap is widening by the day, he said in his national statement as he called for prioritizing the global goal on adaptation in terms of financing and timelines to support countries forced to bear the heavy impact of climate change despite contributing negligibly to globally warming. Full stop. Paragraph. He also suggested that loss and damage needed to be part of the core agenda of COP27 to meet the humanitarian needs of those trapped in the crisis of public financing fueled by debt. Full stop. Lastly, he called for clearly defining climate finance as a new, additional, and sustained resource with transparent mechanisms to meet the need of the vulnerable countries with the required speed and scale. Full stop. Paragraph. The Premier has been speaking of climate justice for the vulnerable states at every international forum he has been to ever since the unprecedented deluge struck a third of the country, killing hundreds and displacing more than 30 million people, in addition to causing large scale damage to crops and infrastructure. Full stop. World leaders may mostly agree with his words. Full stop. Some have promised and additional funding to help the flood affected people and the economy of Pakistan. Full stop. Paragraph. Yet United Nations calls for cash to save the affected people, including children, remain underfunded. Full stop. The Prime Minister was correct in telling COP27 participants that the world had failed to agree on the basics despite talking about these issues for years. Full stop. The climate conference may help carve a common path towards achieving the objectives of the Climate Change Convention and the Paris Agreement. Full stop. But the exercise will not yield results unless the rich polluters realize the urgent need to save the planet and start playing their part. Full stop. The end.